Hey there. A little bit something extra this week. I know some of you may or may not, honestly, have noticed these 3 rings that I wear in the majority of my videos. This is an order from that seller. This is a package from Sarah's Pretty Rocks. I placed a custom order the most recent time that her customs were open, and it just arrived. Her SPR. One box. 2 boxes. Storage bag. Inside the bag this time, Biscoff cookie. My husband gets to have that because I'm allergic to cinnamon. Actually 2 Biscoff cookies. My husband gets 2 cookies this time. It's a little sticker. It says Dancing Dolly approved. The rings that I got this time, one of them has labradorite, the other one has obsidian. Business card. And her website will be linked down below. Polishing cloth. And this little pouch has a few more stickers and a enamel pin in it. The really important part is these 2 boxes. And I have no idea which one is which, so we'll find out together. It's the nab. Can I capture? Yeah, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful blue flash. Coffin cut. It's gone along with these 2. And I always get adjustable rings because my weight fluctuates, and also when it gets really, really hot, my hands kind of swell a little bit. But now we've got Petersite, moss agate, and labradorite all on my right hand. Which means this one is the silver sheen obsidian. Hammered band. They are all adjustable. They're all done in 925 sterling, silver, and she makes all of them by hand. When you get a spot on her customs list, you actually select your stone from a wide variety that she has available, and then when she goes to make them, you choose the bezel. You get to choose whether it's hammered or a plain band. We have added to the collection. And you can tell I'm not the best about polishing all of them, but I do wear them a lot, so they don't just sit around. So yeah. And if you happen to be Sarah watching this, thank you so much. They're beautiful as always. If you are wanting to get anything yourself from Sarah, she does more than just customs. On her website, sometimes she has wire wrapped stuff on there. She has other things that she's just made that are not customs. She has stretchy bracelets that are made with silver beads with various charms on them. You can check that out. She is located in the UK, but it takes about a week at most, usually, when she ships for things to arrive, at least for me, and I'm on the East Coast of the US. She's a wonderful person. She is somebody who is a friend of mine, but I'd recommend her even if she wasn't. She usually has been doing her live claims for customs on TikTok, but I don't know how that's going to be changing with all of the weirdness with TikTok in the United States. Keep up with her on her website. I do believe all of her socials are linked on her website as well, so that you can get yourself some of the loveliness from Sarah's Pretty Rocks.